Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I would like to share you how to make the summary easily from the YouTube video with NoteGPT. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So guys, the first step you can do is you can access this NoteGPT, and here I am accessing it from my Google Chrome, and you can find the NoteGPT.io, and this is the look when you did not or haven't do the login yet. As you can see that this is the your all-in-one AI learning assistant, and you can start to or give the login first, and this is the look when you already do the sign up or log in, and you can go to the AI YouTube here and click the transcribe and summarize, and as you can see that this will help you to create the summarize or even the transcribe or transcription from the YouTube link, and just paste the YouTube link into this section. And for example, I would like to copy this. I guess it's a podcast from the Harvard University. Plastic in our blood, that's a problem. Thank you, Harvard University. Don't forget to access this channel, guys, and listen up this podcast. And after that, I will copy this link and go back to this NoteGPT. And after that, I will put the link over here and click transcribe and summarize now, and kindly wait for this NoteGPT to help you to create the transcribe or to transcribe this video. And as you can see, this is the process of extracting the content, and also make sure that your connection is also in a good condition. Kindly wait, and after that this transcript instantaneously created and the summary on the right side. And of course, this transcript also give you the timestamp in each every, let's say the every topic. And for the chapter, you can kindly wait for it. And as you can see that for this summary, it's really complete, that talking about what it is podcast about and also the content of this podcast. And also if you see the highlights, it also including the timestamp and also the thing that is being discussed on this timestamp. For example, for the duration of 0, it discuss about the consuming about the 5-gram microplastic per week, roughly the weight of a credit card. And after that, it will give you the key insights of this podcast. And if you would like to copy this summary, then you can click copy and put it into your, let's say, into your Microsoft Word or into your note. And so that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this NoteGPT.io, and because it is very helpful for you to get the very complete and detailed summary. And if you have any requests or feedback or even the suggestion or recommendation about the AI that can do the same, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.